This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Petit. Nice open floor plan. 3 BDR, 2 bath, 1 car garage. 1-year lease, $1,500 per month with a $1,500 SD, first and last month in advance with security deposit. You pay all your own utilities except the garbage pickup. Washer/dryer provided. 2 pet limit on owner approval, $300 pet deposit. Owner/broker. For more information, review the details below or contact Petit at 505-898-8899.